Okay, this is part 3 of 04 Triangle Congruence Worksheet for questions 7, 8, 9. Actually, 7, 8, 9 is the first sample problem, okay? So let's look at question 7. Oh, this one is easy, okay? So let's see. One stroke, so that means those two sides are congruent. Two strokes, those two sides are congruent. And three strokes, that means those two sides are congruent. So let's put in our statements, but I'm sure it's very obvious already why these triangles are congruent, okay? So line AC is congruent to line DE, given, okay? It's given. So line AC and line DE, okay? Next. Line AB is congruent to line EF because they each have two strokes, okay? Line A, oh, sorry, not angle, okay? Line AB is congruent to line EF and it's also given, okay? Well, that doesn't look like a nice dot, sorry. Okay, next. Line BC is congruent to line DF. Why? They each have three strokes. So line BC is congruent to line DF. And the reason is it's given already. Okay? So is triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF? Let's take a look. Side, side, side. Okay, so yes, because of the triangle congruence theorem, side, side, side. Remember, side, angle, side, 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 side. Okay, let's go to question 8. Okay, let's see what is given. One stroke and one stroke, so that means those two angles are congruent, okay? Two strokes, okay? That means they are congruent. So let's make our statements. Angle DAC. A is the middle letter because that's where the angle is made, okay? DAC is congruent to angle ACB. Again, that's where the line meets. That's why C is in the middle. ACB. And the reason is it's given. Okay? Next. Angle. Let's do the two strokes. ACD. Okay? Angle ACD is congruent to angle, okay, CAB. Okay? Because that's where the line meets. CAB, and the reason is it's given. Okay, so again we need three statements. Why? Because side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, RHS. Okay, so where can we find another set of congruent sides or angle? We cannot use this because there is no stroke. We cannot say these are the same because there's no stroke. So what's the next thing you need to look at? You need to check. Does it have the reflexive property? Is there a bisector? Is there a midpoint? So let's look at these two triangles. Aha, look at that. This is triangle ACD. This is triangle ABC. What do they have in common? They have a shared side. Okay? And we know that if it is a shared side, it is congruent because of the reflexive property. Okay? So let's write in our statements. Line AC is congruent to line AC because of the reflexive property. Okay? So this is congruent. Let's put a stroke there. So what do we have? We have an angle, a side, and an angle. Angle, side, angle. Let's look at our triangle theorem. Boop, 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 boop. Ba, 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 bam. Angle, side, angle. So, is triangle, okay, is triangle ACD congruent to triangle ABC? Yes. What's the reason? Angle, side, angle. Now see the order? Okay. Angle first, side middle, angle next. Angle, side, angle. Okay. And question 9, again, this is the sample question that came after RHS. Okay. So let's look at this. There's only one clue. Okay, let's write that down. Line CD is congruent to line BC. And the reason is it's given. Okay? What else can we say? That's the only thing that's given. Look at this. Okay? So we have one triangle here. And we have another triangle here. So what is line AC? It is a shared side. So it is congruent. So line, oops, why do I keep on writing in red? So line AC is congruent to line AC. Why? Because of the reflexive property. Okay? But we need 3 things. Why? Because side, angle, side, 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 angle, side, angle, 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 side, and RHS. So you need to look for one more thing. So look at this. It says you need to remember bisector and reflexive property. Look at that. Line AC can also be a bisector. And that means that, see this big angle over here? Because line AC is a bisector, it made this angle and this angle into 2 equal angles. Remember, a bisector divides a line segment, or angle into 2 equal parts. Okay? So, what can we say? We can say that angle DCA, this angle, okay? Angle DCA is congruent to angle BCA, this one, okay? BCA. Why? Because line AC is a bisector. And we all know that, okay, a bisector divides, okay, an angle. This big angle is now 2 smaller equal angles, which is DCA and BCA. Okay? So what do we have now? We have a side, we have an angle, we have a side. Okay? So, is triangle DCA congruent to triangle BCA? Yes. Because we have a side, an angle, side. Ching, 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 side, angle, side. Okay? So, it is because side, angle, side. Okay, so that concludes the tutorial, the 3rd part of the tutorial for the practice of 04 proving triangle congruence. If you have any questions, make sure to ask me. That's the only way you'll learn. Okay? Bye-bye.